Hey guys, I'm Jade and I'm a YouTuber who's doing $1,000,000 challenge by working from home. We now all know that having one income stream can be dangerous. So we have to build multiple income streams. I lost my job during this pandemic and I've been researching how to make money online for over 6 months now. Then I found these 7 best ways to make money online and made this free ebook. This ebook is like a textbook for this course, so I highly recommend you to get this free textbook through the link under the resources tab. In this course, I'm going to give you examples of each strategy as well as step-by-step how-to guide and free tools that you need for each tactic. So if you want to make money from home but don't know where to start, you want to watch this course until the end. I can guarantee you that after completing this course, you'll find several strategies that you want to try today. See you guys in the course.